नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अनीता चौधरी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JVWU. Today topic is Ophidia group part 2. Common characteristic of Ophidia. First is paralysis. Feature of typical bulbar paralysis occur in NASA. The paralysis of Ophidia group occur in right side as well as left side. Right side medicines: Crotellus horridus, Crotellus cascavella, right-sided hemiplegia. It is complementary to lachesis as it completes the curative action. Ellipse, Bothrops. Left side lachesis has left-sided paralysis, especially from apoplexy. There will be extensive paralysis. Nausea, bulbar paralysis, sphincter control will be lost. Vipera, paraplasia of lower extremities resembling acute ascending paralysis of Banger's fasciitis, acute polioencephalitis and myelitis, constriction of throat, larynx and sphincter, lachesis, constriction of throat, larynx and abdomen with intolerable to least touch or pressure, especially on neck. There will be constriction in rectum. Anus will feel tight. There will be dysphagia for liquid as in Bothrops. Second, cankerous chondrotics. There will be constriction as in lachesis with the necessity for having the clothes loose. There will be vivid dreams like arsenic album. There will be dyspnea, mental and physical restlessness, thirst for small quantities of water. Elapse, there will be constriction of pharynx, food and drinks are suddenly arrested and fall heavily into stomach. Crotellus horridus, there will be spasm of the patient is not able to swallow any solid substance. There will be an intolerance to clothing around stomach. Vipera, tear his clothes open due to violent congestion in chest. There will be cardiac anguish with violent chest pain, nausea, grasping throat with a sense of choking. There will be asthmatic constriction in evening. Bothrops, there will be constriction in throat with difficulty in swallowing, especially toward liquids. Third, hemorrhage of dark, non-coagulable, decomposed black blood oozing from all orifices of the body with ecchymosed lachesis, oozing of dark, decomposed blood, purpura with intense prostration, epistaxis, bleeding gums. There will be hemorrhage from bowels like charred straw, black particles. There will be a general relief by menstrual flow. Crotellus horridus, dark, non-coagulating blood, hemorrhagic diathesis, retinal hemorrhage, blood oozes from ears. There will be epistaxis, where the blood will be black and stringy, persistent hemorrhage, intestinal hemorrhage, bloody urine, purpura hemorrhagica, bloody sweat, elapse, epistaxis, hemorrhage from lungs as black ink, watery hemorrhage with pain in the apex of right lung. There will be cough with expectoration of black blood. Menstrual bleeding is black. In typhoid fevers, when ulcer have eaten into tissue, there will be the discharge of black blood. Bothrops, hemorrhage from all orifice, bleeding to hemiplegia, aphasia and dysarthria, conjunctival and retinal hemorrhage, bloody stool. Vipera, persistent epistaxis affects especially the veins. Fourth, inflammation and fevers of low destructive type. Example, gangrene, cellulitis, malignant ulceration, diphtheria, and typhoid. Lachesis, septic state, diphtheria and other low forms of disease. with profound prostration. There will be boils, carbuncle, and ulcer with bluish purple surrounding pineal, dissecting wounds, bad sore with black edges, bluish or blackish swelling, crotalus, horridus, low septic state, carbuncles, malignant scarlatina, yellow fever, plague, cholera, boils, carbuncle, and eruption are surrounded by purplish motile skin and edema, lymphadenitis, septicemia, bothrops, cold, swollen skin with hemorrhagic infiltration, gangrene, lymphatics, swollen, anthrax, erysipelas, vipera, lymphangioma, boils, carbuncles with burning sensation relieved by elevating parts, skin peels off in large plaques, nerve especially affected by snake poison, vagus nerve, spinal accessory, spinal necessary nerve. So characteristically, we get symptom of larynx, respiration, and heart. Ophidia, medicine cause choking, constrictive sensation due to pneumogastric nerve irritation, weak heart, cold feet, and trembling. All the medicines have dyspnea and cardiac symptoms. Yellow staining of color of skin, most marked in Crotalus horridus, less in Lachesis and Vipera communis and Vipera torva. Action on heart produce palpitation, dyspnea and valvular lesion. Nausea, heart rhythm is regular. There is a well-marked frontal and temporal headache with the cardiac symptoms. Patient is always gasping for breath. Lachesis indicated in the rheumatic heart disease, palpitation with fainting spells, especially during climacteric period, cyanosis, Crotalus horridus, palpitation, especially during menses, heart action feeble, vipera, cardiac dropsy, appearance of face, sickly pale, anxious, bloated, swollen, dark red or bluish, especially in lachesis, bothrops, vipera. The face is yellow in lachesis and crotalus. Alteration of spinal reflexes, dimness of vision, excitability of brain or spinal cord, resulting in mental restlessness and physical sensitiveness, torpidity, numbness, twitching, and formication, initial anxiety, mental excitability, and oversensitiveness, hallucination and fear, followed by nervous depression, which varies from debility to confusion, stupor, delirium, and paralysis, periodicity, vipera, symptom returns annually for years, tachyphysis, pain, and fever return annually, sometimes changing location with disappearance of the first symptoms, lachesis, complaints, especially the intermittent fever returning in every spring, swelling, clotho, excessive swelling is characteristic feature, toxicophysis, edematous swelling, nausea, no hemorrhage, only edema, climacteric ailments, lachesis, hemorrhage, hemorrhoids, hot flashes, hot perspiration, burning in vertex, headache at or after menopause, Crotalus horridus, intense flushing and drenching perspiration, profound anemia, prolonged micturitia, dark offensive fluid, faintness and sinking at stomach, vipera, climacteric ailments, mental symptoms, fear of rain, elapse, nausea, dream of dead person, elapse, Crotalus horridus, dread to left alone, elapse, nausea, action on liver, hepatomegaly and jaundice, lachesis, liver region sensitive, can't tolerate clothing around waist, Crotalus, hemolytic jaundice, yellow conjunctiva and skin, Vipera, violent pain, enlarged liver with jaundice and fever pain extend to shoulder and hip. Sleep aggravation, lachesis, as soon as the patient falls asleep, breathing stops. Crotalus sleeps into his symptom. Nausea, suffocative spell after sleeping. Dysarthria, Bothrops, hemiplegia, plasia with aphasia, inability to articulate without any affection to tongue. Vipera, speech is difficult. Nausea, blood speech. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JVWU. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.